ओह, थैंक यू।
हमें ऐसा नहीं, हिंदू मुस्लिम जो भी, मैं इन टॉपिक्स पे बात नहीं करना चाहती थी क्योंकि हमारी हमारी जगह नहीं है
भाई
इनकी बात करने की।
मैम,
अब हम
मैम सॉरी मैम, तुमने
पिक्चर
मूवी
बना रही हो
बनाया
तुम
उस पे।
बहन,
लाइक तुमको बात
तुम
करना
पिक्चर
पड़ेगा।
बना रही हो इस पे
लाइक व्हाट
हिंदू मुस्लिम पे।
व्हाट डिड यू
तुम
एक्सपेक्ट?
प्रोपेगेंडा चला रही हो, तुम पैसा ले रही हो।
Seriously, man, I'm so confused right now, Medusa. I'm just
I
worried
am
how.
so angry. I had to tie my hair. It's
Guys.
so hot right now. I got so hot listening to that bullshit.
पॉलिटिकल फिल्म।
तुम
What
हर चीज
patriarchy,
में
yeah?
पेट्रियार्की क्यों लाते हो मेडुसा? क्यों लाते हो?
What patriarchy? Yeah. What patriarchy are you talking about in
Yeah.
India? Yeah. What patriarchy? Oh
देखो
my
थोड़ी कोई
God.
एक्सपीरियंस आया है।
What is this? Why would you do this to me? On first day back, Meghnad. You should be proud of your religion. You should go to mandir. What is this?
Sorry, ma'am.
How dare you
Sorry.
insult your religion?
मुझे माफ करना ओ साईं राम।
And in fact, the mic that they have, it also looks like a tersorium, by the way. Does it not? It
Oh
gets
no!
passed around.
Now I can't unsee it. What have you done?
तो मुझे समझ आई कि अरे ये तो बहुत ज़रूरी है ये फिल्म, क्योंकि इतनी कंफ्यूजन है लोगों के दिमाग में उस चीज़ को लेके, जैसे विक्रांत ने कहा, जिसने हमारा सोशियो पॉलिटिकल फैब्रिक बदल दिया सोसाइटी का, और हम उसके बारे में बात ही नहीं करते। और अब हम उसके बारे में
The socio-political fabric was changed because of the riots.
जैसे हर प्रोफेशन में हर तरह के लोग होते हैं, जब आप डिसऑनेस्ट लोगों को देखते हैं, जब आप उस सिस्टम को समझते हैं, तो रिस्पेक्ट तो बिल्कुल गिरती है सर।
Okay, again. जब आप डिसऑनेस्ट लोगों को देखते हैं।
Also, another one. If Vikrant Massey was America, his mouth will be an immigrant because it is taking his ass's job.
Oh my God! Yeah, that's a good one. Yes, that. Hello and welcome to Dissent की दुकान, where decent people
Are doing dissent?
during times of dissent. Yes.
Dissent! Yay! I remember it.
This is
Even
going to
after
become
all
muscle
of these,
memory,
yeah.
and I love it. Again, we've
Yeah,
done it
it's gonna
after a
become
while.
muscle memory.
So it's great.
Yes.
Well done, Medusa. Hello. So people who are watching this, you're watching a cut version of the whole thing. But if you are here right now, which is present in time, this time and space, you're probably watching a live recording. I mean, you are definitely watching a live recording. So all the members who are watching this live, hello again. This is Dissent Ki Dukan, a show by me and Dr. Medusa, where we do BC.
Dissent.
We do BC. Yeah, and dissent, yes. But more BC, less dissent. No, but dissent karte. Anyway, so today, friends, we are going to talk about three things. The first one is going to be like an appetizer clip to trigger Medusa, which is Nirmala Sitharaman. And the second one is going to be, we are going to talk a little bit about Trump. if
Ayo, another trigger.
या वो एंड में बात करेंगे, बट बीच में द मेन थिंग वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट इज विक्रांत मासेज साबरमती रिपोर्ट टीजर एंड द सब्सिक्वेंट थिंग्स दैट आर हैपनिंग अराउंड इट, बट वी आर primarily going to watch Sushant Sinha's podcast with him. So the thing is, I haven't seen it. Medusa, you were going to tell me a plan live कि क्या करने वाले हैं हम.
Yes, I was going to, but then we'll do that when we get to it.
Oh wow,
नहीं,
okay.
या अभी कर देना।
इतना सस्पेंस बता रही है मुझे. प्लान बता देना क्या करने वाले हैं.
कोई सस्पेंस नहीं वही है, मतलब as in see, the thing is, okay, so what I did was I started watching it. Okay, I saw the promo वाला bit जो होता है, which is like 2 minute का. I paused and I was like, shit, I can't do this. I can't do this anymore. I can't. This is have just gotten out of a depressive episode. What is wrong with you? And then I was like, no, I have to do this for DKD. Yes. Then I pressed play again. Then I got to 6 minutes, and I was like, I cannot. There is no way I can, until and unless there is a gun to my head. So I was like, okay, fine. We are going to be in the stream anyway. So why don't we just go ahead and watch the whole thing, you and I together, because you also haven't seen it. I also haven't seen it. But there were some very helpful timestamps which are there in the
Yes.
this thingy, and I checked थोड़ा थोड़ा उन timestamps में जाके थोड़ा थोड़ा मैंने सुनने की कोशिश की. So it is good. So I have selected like 3 of the timestamps which they have given. ठीक है, and I will ask you to go those directly. तो इसमें सिर्फ तेरे को टाइम स्टैम्प में जाना है, because हाँ उसमें है मटेरियल है
So
हमारे लायक
basically, we
मटेरियल
are
है.
both blind reacting essentially.
Yes, we are both. I have seen a little bit of it, and of course, just the title of the timestamp itself is enough.
समझ गया.
It's ridiculous.
The titles are
And I'm
only
not- and I'm-
ridiculous.
Yeah,
Title.
and I have not even started talking about Vikrant Massey's awful haircut. I don't know what Snape has possessed him, which timeline which Snape has possessed him to have that kind of a haircut. I mean, what is wrong with it? Like, get the
we want to cover it up by saying, oh, patriarchy is stopping me. No way. What's patriarchy? Yeah? I'm
Can you hear it?
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. फिर से that reaction was nice. I don't know why I paused it when I saw it.
we want to cover it up by saying, oh, patriarchy is stopping me. No way. What's patriarchy? Yeah? I'm also equally not saying that women are, facilitated adequately.
We see that there are a lot of women who are very self-driven, who
Then
are
what are you
ambitious.
saying?
They have the talent. They're willing to put in the hard work.
So this is the question that she's asking.
But sometimes
Okay.
they don't get that support back family. And even if they get and they step out into the world, they find it pretty patriarchal. Have you experienced something like this, ma'am? And if you can give one advice to all the young girls out there and the women to live their dreams, live their mark, and just be unapologetically themselves, what would it be, ma'am?
You can be all that. Actually, don't mind me saying, I'm not standing against the viewpoint that you have. This is not a very popular answer, but I will give it. What's patriarchy? Yeah? If you're able to stand up and speak for yourself logically, which is that patriarchy which is going to say, oh, shut up, sit down? Impossible. Not certainly in a country like India. Impossible.
Impossible.
Oh, impossible. And not in a country like India.
Yes. Medusa, please stop talking about patriarchy. A request. तुम
What
हर चीज
patriarchy,
में
yeah?
patriarchy क्यों लाते हो मेडुसा? क्यों लाते हो? Not like you have any experience with patriarchy.
What patriarchy? What patriarchy? Yeah. What patriarchy are you talking about in
Yeah.
India? Yeah. What patriarchy? Oh
देखो
my
थोड़ी कोई
God.
experience आया है.
What is this? Why would you do this to me on first day back, Meghnad?
Dude, it's not like you've
Especially in a
experienced.
country, you can't have patriarchy, especially in a country like India. Who is going to tell you to sit down and shut up and sit down? Who is going to tell you? Your father, your brother, your teacher, your male colleague, everybody's
Fair reaction. Fair. But it gets worse.
But
What?
if patriarchy
Yeah,
is
it
a
gets worse.
guise
Look
we
at-
want to give ourselves and say, my inefficiency, my not being ready, we want to cover it up by saying, oh, patriarchy is stopping me. No way. Who stopped Mrs. Indira Gandhi from becoming the Prime Minister of this country? Who stopped? I start with her. Who stopped her? And before that, Aruna Asaf Ali, freedom fighter, Sarojini Naidu. Which patriarchy stopped any of these people? I want to honestly appeal to all the young minds. Don't get carried away by these fantastic, not you, sorry, by these fantastic jargons of, patriarchy stopping us. Otherwise, we women would have gone to Mars yesterday. No.
Also, this woman really doesn't understand privilege, does she?
oh my God. But no.
No. इसको intersectionality वगैरह थोड़ा सा शायद.
Oh my God.
शायद
Oh my
like,
God. मतलब तुमको ये नहीं
No, but Nirmala Sitharaman, so when I saw this, I was thinking about this, that Nirmala Sitharaman is a JNU product, okay? She has
I
been
swear to
around
God.
people with social sciences all the time, including Dr. Parakala Prabhakar type people who she's married to. In all this time, madam, have you learned nothing about intersectionality and privilege? It's just like she's just basically saying, oh, patriarchy is a buzzword, so you don't care about it. And I don't get it. Like, has she never experienced
Also, I don't.
patriarchy?
It's
Like
like
she has
it's-
never experienced price rise because she doesn't eat pyaz. It's the same thing.
Yeah.
It's the same logic कि मैंने नहीं देखा कुछ तो फिर तू क्यों बोल रहा है?
Oh God, man, this is so disappointing. So disappointing. It's like she's the only reason why she's to be a woman and to be a woman in politics. You are denying so much with this one single statement, with this one like umbrella statement. You're denying so much the work that women activists have done in our country, feminists have done in our country to lead us to this point where you can stand here and say this bullshit. You are denying all of the movement more movements which have happened. You are denying work of people like Savitribai Phule. You are denying the work of who literally fought through to have the first women's school. Oh my God, I can't even. It's like a joke right now.
But
Like
that's the thing.
even when I'm trying to give you the examples this is like so much outrage. You know, sometimes you have so much outrage you can't believe somebody has said all of that bullshit and somebody actually believes that. It's one of those things. It's like when this Tiwari girl is saying Brahmin genes on
Yeah.
on Twitter.
Yeah.
It's like, are you that blind, bro? Like, what is wrong
Yes,
with
the
you?
answer is yes.
It's like,
The answer is so yes, because I mean, like
you cannot, even if I ask her to, she's a woman politician, and if I ask her to name like 15 politicians, 15 women politicians ever since independence, I don't think she's going to be able to, because that's the dearth of women politicians which we have had. Aparadhikaran jab se politics ka hua hai, which is the criminalization of politics, when politics became ridden with criminal elements, जब उस वजह से जो महिलाओं का पॉलिटिक्स से एक विभाजन हुआ है, एक दूरी बनी है, that is a result of patriarchy. That's the
Yeah.
reason why you don't see women leaders coming up. You see, I had this conversation with some kids from Samajwadi Party here in Uttar Pradesh, and they were like, "Oh no, जितने आराम से मैं जाके गांव में काम कर पाऊंगा, मैं रात तक काम कर सकता हूँ, उतनी आराम से कोई दूसरी महिला हमारी प्रार्थी नहीं कर पाएगी." I'm like, क्यों नहीं कर पाएगी? ये सोचो ना, क्यों नहीं कर पाएगी? Why will she not be able to do it? She's not able to do it not because she's incapable or physically incapable of doing it. Danger है यार उसको. तुम्हारे उसके अपने साथियों से डेंजर है. Her own people, her own party people, she's full of it. It's not easy for that woman.
So I have
Oh
heard.
my God, this is so.
See, I've heard similar things. Like, for example, I was talking to this campaign
So maddening.
strategist sort of
So
person
maddening.
who I was asking when the reservation thing had happened, no, like women reservation. My logic was कि ठीक है तुमने बोला reservation दे देते हैं parliament में, and you're like thapthapawing, right? कि 2029 or later when it will happen. My thing was that you can do it immediately, which is give tickets to 33% women. Just make sure that out of the 100 candidates that you're giving tickets to, 33 are women. Right? I mean, like, वही करो ना. फिर मतलब like you basically can do it right now. Give it to 50%. Do more than that, right? So this person is like, listen, you know, like all the gender politics aside, you have to think about practicality यहाँ पे, which is as a party, if you're investing into a campaign of a candidate, you want the candidate to be able to perform from 6 in the morning till 2 in the night, right? But when it's a woman, and we are the people in opposition.
Woman does every single day 6 in the morning till 2 in the night. वो घर में वैसे भी करती है.
See,
ठीक है,
the
तो तुम्हारा
logic-
काम क्यों नहीं कर पाएगी? ये काम क्यों नहीं कर पाएगी?
So my logic, so his logic is that, listen, if we have like women candidates, right, they will not be able to campaign for so long because gaon dehat mein you can't be outside for so long. Even we are scared sometimes and whatever. Plus we have to spend extra for security.
Yeah, so spend extra.
So see, that's the thing ना, like campaign में तुम
Darling.
पैसा तो खर्च करना है, फिर अगर सस्ते में हो रहा है तो फिर जेंडर
सस्ते वाले
पॉलिटिक्स
वो
के
क्यों
बारे
नहीं
में क्या
देंगे?
सोचने का?
क्यों सोचेंगे
क्यों
जेंडर
सोचने
पॉलिटिक्स
का?
के बारे में?
Secondary
Why
है
think
वो.
of a better world to create? Why think of creating a better world? Why think of a more inclusive world? यहाँ पे औरतों को नौकरी नहीं मिलती है क्योंकि प्रेग्नेंट हो जाती है, ठीक है? क्लॉज लिखना पड़ता है कि शादी नहीं करेंगे इतने टाइम तक, या शादी हो जाएगी तो वो नहीं करेंगे. कॉर्पोरेट ऑफिसेस में होता है. आई हैव हैड फ्रेंड्स who have signed this, who have been denied promotions because they got pregnant. And the logic which is given even by friends, even by people, even by common laymen is नहीं औरतों को क्यों कंपनी इन्वेस्ट करेगी? Because that woman is a human resource. You are supposed, as a human being, as a society, we are supposed to create an inclusive world where everybody is included. तुमको उससे बच्चा भी चाहिए, तुमको उससे ह्यूमन रिसोर्स बनवाना भी है, फिर तुम उसको जगह भी नहीं दोगे, तुम उसको घर ऑफिस में फीडिंग रूम भी नहीं दोगे, चेंजिंग टाइम वो भी नहीं दोगे, उसको पेड लीव भी नहीं दोगे, कुछ नहीं दोगे, क्रैश भी नहीं दोगे. You will not give that person anything, yet you want a human resource created from that person. You want that person to be, listen to all of your bullshit.
Patriarchy. Oh, you
But
just
there is no
defined
patriarchy.
patriarchy.
But there is no patriarchy.
There is no.
What is this?
मैं-
There is no patriarchy.
Yeah, और ट्रिगर होते हैं थोड़ा सा. We are going to move on to the next one, which is.
Oh my God, there's another. Don't tell me. Oh,
we're
thank God.
going to do Trump later.
Oh no, this is also this is also bullshit. Oof.
So the whole point of this show is to see bullshit. Just news flash. 9 episodes later, Medusa, we watch bullshit and react to it. That's DKD.
Okay.
It's actually quite amusing. Every time we decide to do a clip and that clip comes up. Oh my God, this is now coming. I'm like, yeah, we knew. we knew. We decided this.
Okay.
So, do you want to introduce this podcast, Medusa? Whatever you have seen.
Okay, I have a very good word for this. Meghnad, do you know the meaning of the word tersorium?
Tersorium.
Yep.
No.
Tersorium.
No.
Okay. So what happened was when in the Middle Ages, public restrooms used to be communal. Right? Did you know that?
No.
Okay. So what happened was there was this one huge
What do you
room.
mean public restrooms need to be... Public restrooms are communal. I mean public restrooms.
Take it a step further. Like
Oh,
right
communal,
now you have
matlab-
these,
oh,
yeah.
okay, oh.
People
Segregated.
would just go segregated. Yeah. So people would not segregated. Wait. Let me finish.
Okay.
So it would be this huge public restrooms because at that point of time there was not a lot of sanitation, not a lot of drainage, and so on and so forth. So they needed stuff. They needed one place where just people would go and shit. Okay. So it would be a huge room, and there would be seats, and there would be no wall between these seats. People would just go there and sit and do their business. Okay. Now, washing is an issue. How did the washing happen when after they have done their business? So there used to be a long stick. There used to be a sponge attached to the end of that stick, and the sponge would be wet, and the sponge would be passed around among people.
Okay.
Okay. Very disgusting for us, of course, because we don't think of it like that. And that sponge was, kya kehte hai usko? This is very academic discussion on shit, by the way.
Yeah. I can see where this is going.
Yeah.
Yes, go.
See, the sponge would be sanitized after every person uses it in a bucket of vinegar and other sanitizing stuff which were used at that point of time.
Amazing.
Vinegar, bleach, yes, bleach and vinegar and so on and so forth. And then it would again be passed around. That sponge on a stick was known as a tersorium. That is the word I'm going to use for this particular podcast.
I'm stunned.
Yes.
I'm stunned by this
detail of it.
The detail
Yes,
of
and the
it.
accurateness.
The de-
And in fact, the mic that they have, it also looks like a tersorium, by the way. Does it not? It
Oh
gets
no,
passed around.
now I can't unsee it. What have you done? Now every podcast mic I see will be like, oh my god, look at this.
ना था और
Speed
दिखाना
बढ़ा ले.
था
देखिए जर्नलिज्म बहुत मुश्किल है बहुत रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी का काम है एंड हैट्स ऑफ टू ऑल ऑफ यू जो आप इतनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी के साथ आप जैसे हम इससे पहले बात कर रहे थे कि
Pause.
लाइव जाना कितना मुश्किल होता है
Hats off to all of you.
Hats off to all of
How-
them. No?
How dare you include Sushant Blackboard Sinha as a journalist? I object. That is my first objection. That was like the first time I was like, bitch, you did not.
There is a line in the teaser also, no? Where, by the way, there is a line and teaser. I feel like from the teaser, I figured what the movie is going to be about. Basically, Vikrant Masse is a Hindi-speaking journalist who joins an English channel, and he is going to go and like be paradropped into like this riot-type situation where these English channel people will be doing propaganda, the leftist urban Naxal propaganda, where they are covering the thing, but they are calling it an accident, like the first train burning incident. And this guy will be extremely shook, and he'll be like, "Oh my god, outrage!" Right? And then he'll try to reveal the such, and nobody will take him seriously. Then he will confront the journalist, the English journalist, and ask them कि अरे तुम जर्नलिज्म नहीं कर रहे, मैं भी वहां पे था, मैंने भी देखा क्या हुआ, तुमने भी देखा, पर तुम कुछ और ही बोल रहे हो. So this woman says to him कि journalism is not just about facts, okay? It's not just about facts. Sometimes you have to tell a story. And so I think.
Oh no,
Yeah.
that means I haven't seen the teaser then because
you
जो भी
haven't seen the
उसमें था उसमें ये नहीं था.
मैंने
यार,
जो टीजर
मैं
देखा
बोल तो
ना,
रही हूँ ना, I
इतना
have been
मैंने
very
सरमाइज
thankfully-
किया.
हाँ.
इतना मैंने
I have been very
surmise किया.
thankfully away from ये social media क्योंकि एक तो इसके जैसे लोग आ जाते हैं, ठीक है, और ये सब BC होने लग जाता है. Thank God that रणवीर शोरी वाला movie I did not see because रणवीर शोरी तो I तो absolutely hate and I
Yeah.
can so I'm like so I feel so happy for Konkona. I was like, girl, तुम बच गई. ऐसा मुझको लगता है उसके लिए. मतलब मुझे लगता है कि कितनी खुशी होती है मुझे. Anyway, this is how dare you, first of all, how dare, and look at his face. Look at him sitting like चौड़े से कि देखो हमारे पे पिक्चर बनी है, हम ही तो हैं जर्नलिस्ट, पत्रकार महोदय.
Of course.
ले तेरे टर्सोरियम का स्पंज है तू. ये बार बार दिस मूवी इज बीइंग मेड आफ्टर दे कीप ऑन सेइंग इट इज 22 साल के बाद 22 साल के बाद 22 साल के बाद बन रहा है ना, 22 साल के, क्योंकि 2002 में हुआ था.
Right.
तो मुझे you tell me whether it is true or not. So Godhra was so blatantly BJP's fault. Godhra was so blatantly a pogrom against the Muslim community. इतना blatantly था, सबको पता था, सबको. And तो ये तो pride लेते थे ना कि नहीं हमने किया pride से वो किया. लेकिन that pride was very muted and the pride was very private. है ना? But आज after 22 years, specifically after 11 years of BJP's rule, they are now shameless enough to talk about this very openly. ऐसा मुझे लगता है that is the reason why two movies continuously back to back, because they want to whitewash their entire episode of literally massacring, causing a pogrom against a particular community, such a documented pogrom, and they want to whitewash it and change it and give Sanghis talking points when anybody throws Godhra at their face.
No, that's true. I mean, all of these exercises are obviously like narrative setting, whitewashing sort of exercises. But just for the audience who is young, which I'm pretty sure a lot of them are, the thing that happened in Godhra, friendos, is this. There was a train of car sevaks that was coming into Gujarat. It was at Godhra. And there are conflicting reports about what happened there. One of the reports is that a mob attacked the train while it was at Godhra and set it on fire. Right? There is another conflicting report that says that the mob that came in were Muslim people because the people inside were Kar Sevaks. Now, whether they were Kar Sevaks was also kind of disputed at one point, which is like, might be just a normal bunch of people coming from somewhere. But again, so many conflicting reports there. but what happened afterwards is what is important, right? So it could have been an accident, it could have been a mob attacking, right? What a normal person would do, a normal administration would do, is they would investigate this, they would find the people responsible and punish them, right, according to the law. But what Shri Sir Adarniya Supreme Leader, current Supreme Leader, did was he took the Karsevaks and he did a yatra across, like basically, was it Surat or Ahmedabad? I forget which one. In this Gujarat city, he took the bodies and he did like a yatra with the bodies, inciting people and also constantly saying that this has been done by Muslims. Like in like मतलब directly भी बोला था काफी बार बोला भी था कि हम इसका बदला लेंगे, all the things. And then the riot that broke out after that is known as the 2002 Gujarat riots, where places like Naroda Patia, etc., people were butchered, especially Muslims were butchered. An MP was murdered, which was kind of insane. So that was what the thing is. So now this movie seems to be about, I think, one version of it, which Vikrant Masse will try to sell us, which is that the mob was full of Muslims. And so basically what happened afterwards was completely legitimate according to this narrative. The whole thing was riot hua. There were people who were dying and the administration was doing nothing for 3 days, I believe, 3 or 4 days. Horrifying massacre happened. And after that, essentially, obviously, like Modi ji was taken to court, a bunch of Amit Shah was taken to court, a bunch of people were also questioned.
Given clean
Supreme
chit
Court
also
ne
later on.
clean chit de diya usko, etc. So that must be like buried. So legally it is buried. Legally Modi ji is innocent. Okay, that is what we will say. But the other thing is, the story still remains, right? The people will still talk about it. Because there were real people who died there.
दोस्तों को नहीं पता कि क्या हुआ था, क्योंकि मैंने बात करी उनसे कि आपको पता है कि कहाँ से शुरू हुआ. दे वर लाइक नहीं, हाँ ये सुना हुआ है पर पता नहीं. तो हर जगह यहाँ पे पता नहीं है.
एक सेकंड रुक. ये this what do you think about this constant repetition of the phrase कहाँ से शुरू हुआ?
हाँ, that's what I was saying, right? Like the whole story is about कहाँ से शुरू हुआ. Like, so the riot that happened, she knew about it. She knows about the riot. She knows that people died there. But ये शुरू कहाँ से हुआ? Important वो है उसके लिए अभी कि ओ शुरू कहाँ से हुआ. That's why they keep repeating it, right? Which is the event that happened later. ठीक है, हो गया, वो तो सबको ही पता है. वो शुरू कहाँ से हुआ वो किसी को नहीं पता. किसकी गलती थी, किसको ब्लेम करना चाहिए? आप क्या सही लोगों को या ग्रुप को ब्लेम कर रहे हो, या फिर आप कोई लेफ्टिस्ट नैरेटिव के साथ जा रहे हो, या फिर आप कोई ऐसे लीडर को ब्लेम करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो जिसने कुछ नहीं किया,
जो हमारा बाप है.
No, exactly. Like, so it's very obvious. Like, I mean, like the way they are doing it.
So I think it's a very, very deliberate attempt to legitimize the riots which happened, the murders which happened, the pogrom which happened, and the hatred which percolates every single fiber of Sanghi's being even today. And it reminds me very, very much of the whole 7th October wala issue when people talk about Philistine. नहीं?
शुरू कहाँ से हुआ?
40,000 children dead. Hamas killed 7th October.
शुरू कहाँ से हुआ? हाँ, शुरू कहाँ से हुआ उसका बात कर रहा तू. Like, I mean, so basically everything that happens later, as many people die is okay. वो शुरू कहाँ से हुआ था?
The CM, the sitting CM of a state, parading with dead bodies, instigating people to violence, ठीक है, and going around with slogans and hateful hate speech, vitriol, like figuratively injecting this hate into people's veins so that people just burst open and killed so many people, massacred them. Unthinkable horrors happened to women like Bilkis. But शुरू कहाँ से हुआ?
And you know, the fact of life, and which everybody needs to understand, is that a political riot, a religious riot cannot last beyond, I will say, half a day if
Half
the
a day.
administration doesn't let it last.
Yep,
Right?
yep.
This one happened for number of days, right? So every time you see a riot happening, which is like communal in nature, etc., and if it explodes and goes on for days, the violence is constantly going on. It means the administration is doing nothing, and they're okay with it,
Nothing.
and they are okay with this purge type situation happening in the state. It's like, हाँ लोग भड़ास निकाल लेंगे, फिर सब ठीक हो जाएगा. Literally have heard people say that also.
Yep.
It's basically just so sad.
It is.
फ्यूजन है मेरे पेरेंट्स तक की आपस में ये लड़ाई हुई कि अरे नहीं ये ऐसे हुआ, मेरी मम्मी कहती नहीं ये ऐसे हुआ, तो मुझे समझ आई कि अरे ये तो बहुत ज़रूरी है ये फिल्म, क्योंकि इतनी कन्फ्यूजन है लोगों के दिमाग में उस चीज़ को लेके, जैसे विक्रांत ने कहा, जिसने हमारा सोशियो पॉलिटिकल फैब्रिक बदल दिया सोसाइटी का, और हम उसके बारे में बात ही नहीं करते. और अब हम उसके बारे में
The socio-political fabric was changed because of the riots. Oh my God.
Oh, it's very frustrating, man. It was bad video to choose for my comeback.
Okay.
में बात कर रहे हैं तो लोग हमसे पूछ रहे हैं, अरे आपको डर नहीं लग रहा? द फैक्ट दैट हमें डरना चाहिए इज
नहीं लगेगा.
प्रॉब्लम.
शोज कि हम किस दौर में जी रहे हैं.
जी.
कि आपको डर नहीं लग रहा?
Look,
क्यों डरना चाहिए
it's
भाई?
थप्पड़.
कुछ क्राइम कर रहे हैं.
हाँ नहीं क्यों डरना नहीं चाहिए, क्योंकि आप थोड़ा प्रो एस्टेब्लिशमेंट चीजें कर रहे हो ना, इसीलिए तुमको डरना नहीं चाहिए.
क्योंकि आप
Otherwise डरना
ट्रॉमा स्ट्रोक
चाहिए.
कर रहे हो लोगों का. आप ट्रॉमा स्ट्रोक कर रहे हो लोगों का, आपको इसलिए डरना चाहिए क्योंकि आप बुरा काम कर रहे हो. You're doing something bad.
और
You're
by
doing
the way,
something evil, bitch.
no, but like the thing is, I was okay. If Vikrant Masse and co had made a legit film exploring the Sabarmati report and then following up with the riots that happened, etc., and like basically based a story around it, let's say, right? There can be extremely powerful stories that can be made on that one incident, right?
Yep.
If they were, let's say, very objective about it, I would still watch it, right? But the way that teaser came out, and I've just seen the teaser and a bunch of his interviews that are happening elsewhere, doesn't seem very objective anymore. That's what is kind of interesting to me, that Vikrant Masse chose this. I'm not sure why. पैसा नहीं है, खत्म. EMI देना है.
पता नहीं कौन सा EMI देना है.
घर
No.
खरीदा.
He just wants to be in the good books, basically.
Yeah, I guess he's also done. I think he's also like, यार ये सब बाकी के लोग इतना पैसा कमा रहे हैं चाट के, तो फिर मैं भी क्यों ना.
मैं क्यों ना करूं.
मैं
Look
क्यों
at his face. Like ऐसे उसको देख के नहीं लग रहा है, थोड़ा सा मतलब sad सा.
हाँ थोड़ा
Like
सा
the brightness.
अंदर से थोड़ा सा
हाँ.
ऐसे
कि बिक गया हूं मैं.
I haven't seen Vikrant Masse so angry, boss. Have you noticed like his earlier interviews that you have seen?
No, I haven't seen him angry. इसमें भी अभी तक तो हमने देखा नहीं ना. And this is legitimately the first time I'm watching his clip also, क्योंकि मैंने News 24 वाला क्लिप भी नहीं देखा है जिसमें सब लोग बोल रहे हैं कि ये नया संघी बना है, नया हिंदू बना है, and something like that. Because I was like, no bro, I can't subject myself to this so early in the morning.
बता रहे हैं. और फैक्ट बता
So
रहे हैं.
early back
The
into
very
my
fact that कोई एक
facts
सवाल
बताता
पूछ रहा है,
हूँ.
और ये सवाल हमसे हर जर्नलिस्ट ने पूछा है 6 दिन से, जब से हम प्रमोट कर रहे हैं कि आपको डर नहीं लग रहा कि लोग क्या कहेंगे. द क्वेश्चन इटसेल्फ इज प्रूफ कि
किस बात का
shows
डर
के हम किस
यार?
दौर में जी रहे हैं. इट्स अ शेम.
नहीं, लेकिन आप लोगों को कभी स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ के ऐसा
एक
नहीं
second,
लगा?
But एक second, no wait. He said किस दौर में जी रहे हैं, right?
हाँ.
Which means that the people who are in power are creating an uncomfortable environment to make such movies.
Yes.
So I'm very confused right now.
It's very
If
no,
that
ये
was
victim
Kangna
complex वाला है ना.
Ranaut, if that was Kangna Ranaut saying the same thing because her movie still hasn't come out, poor Kangna, like MP भी बन गई पर movie नहीं निकाल पा रही है. If she had said this, I would be like, हाँ Kangna, I'm with you. Your movie should not be censored like this by the current establishment. Okay, I do not like you. I mean, you are a very weird person and all the things. You give me great content, all good. You're the best, but at the same time, you should not be censored. Your movie should come out. Like यहाँ पे,
Yes.
like what will happen, right? अभी, and which is what happens usually on the internet, कि अभी हम ये
हाँ.
reaction कर रहे हैं, comments आएंगे कि oh so you want this movie banned or what? Like no, I don't want it banned.
No.
I want to see it fabulously tank in the box office like all of these
Yes,
other
yes,
movies.
absolutely.
Yeah.
And this is what we are doing. उनका because see freedom of expression तुम्हारा है, तुम झूठ फैला रहे हो. हमारा freedom of expression है, तुम्हारे BC को बोलने की BC है. तो हाँ ठीक है. 18-19.
आपको लेके एक बड़ी चर्चा है सोशल मीडिया पे कि आप बरखा दत्त का रोल प्ले कर रही हैं आप बरखा दत्त इस फिल्म में?
नहीं, मैं बरखा दत्त का रोल नहीं प्ले कर रही. अगर कर रही होती तो सबसे पहले तो बाल छोटे होते.
हाँ हाँ
नहीं, मैं उनका रोल नहीं प्ले कर रही. आई थिंक पर एक
हाँ बिकॉज एक्टिंग जब करते हैं लोग तो बहुत एकदम एग्जैक्टली सेम टू सेम करते ही है ना एकदम.
सर
देखिए जर्नलिस्ट्स आई थिंक ऑनेस्ट जर्नलिस्ट भी होते हैं और डिसऑनेस्ट भी होते हैं. अब वो भी उनकी
अच्छा.
मॉरल स्टैंडिंग है, वो उनका डिलेमा होता होगा उनकी जॉब में, उनकी प्रेशर्स की वजह से कि या तो आप सक्सेस के पीछे भाग सकते हैं या आप सच्चाई के पीछे भाग सकते हैं. क्योंकि
अरे किसको बोल रही है?
कितना कितना
अरे!
कितना खूबसूरत
क्या
मेटा
अच्छे
मोमेंट
तरीके
होता
से
ना
बोला है.
अगर ये कोई दूसरी पिक्चर हो रही होती तो, है ना. कितना
बात-
खूबसूरत मेटा मोमेंट होता
क्या
कि
बात-
मुंह पे मार रही है, ये
Yeah.
ले तेरा सोरियम तेरे मुंह के अंदर.
Yeah, like she could have like had like a little bit of a smile वहाँ पे to show
I know.
sarcasm, but no, they थोड़ा
है ना.
serious हो गए.
थोड़ा सा कैमरा टू कैमरा देख के, कैमरा में देख के हम लोग की तरफ फोर्थ वॉल ब्रेक करके बोल देती है कि देखो मैं तो ये कर रही हूँ.
That's true. That's true. ऐसे like so it's like कि
John
हाँ,
Krasinski type
कुछ ऑनेस्ट पत्रकार होते हैं और कुछ डिसऑनेस्ट पत्रकार होते हैं. और वो जो ऑनेस्ट पत्रकार होते हैं ना वो अपना काम करते रहते हैं, बट डिसऑनेस्ट पत्रकार जो होते हैं ना वो नैरेटिव सेट करते हैं. See, she could have done this, but
Very good, very
but
good.
no.
Yeah, I know. Missed opportunity.
Missed.
बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि अगर आप सच के पीछे भागते हैं तो आपको सक्सेस नहीं मिलता है, आपको बहुत लोग दबाने की कोशिश करते हैं.
अच्छा.
तो हम उनको जज नहीं कर रहे, हम सिर्फ प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं कि ये दोनों साइड्स हैं और ये दोनों साइड्स का क्या रोल भी था. जैसे हम ऑनेस्ट जर्नलिस्ट्स भी हैं, तो ऐसी कोई रिस्पेक्ट नहीं घटी है क्योंकि काम तो बहुत मुश्किल है. अब वो उनके मॉरल ग्राउंड पे
ये
वो क्या
लड़की मेरे को
सोचते हैं या
तीनों में
उनको क्या-
सबसे ज्यादा ढंग की लगी.
है ना, शी इज प्लेइंग
हाँ?
लाइक
है ना?
अ इन्वेस्टिगेटिव जर्नलिस्ट और समवन इन दिस.
आई मीन शुरुआत का 1-2 लाइन छोड़ के कि मेरी टीम फाइंड करने पहुंची, मेरी टीम रिसर्च करने पहुंची. बस
हर नेम
कोर्ट मर गई.
इज रिद्धि डोगरा.
नहीं, रिद्धि वाली दूसरी है. रिद्धि
Oh, that
रिद्धि
other
नहीं
one is
पागल.
Riddhi Dogra.
This one, no, the other one, हाँ, the other one is Riddhi Dogra. I don't know
Riddhi.
what her name is.
But her
इसका नाम
spelling
मुझे
is
नहीं पता.
RIDHDHI. So
तो
Riddhi.
रिद्धि.
नहीं, Riddhi.
क्या ठीक लगता है वो इंडिविजुअली डिसाइड करते हैं. बट एज अ प्रोफेशन वी हैव
इट इज अ प्रोफेशन ऑफ अटमोस्ट रिस्पांसिबिलिटी. इसीलिए वो डेमोक्रेसी का चौथा पिलर है. एक समाज की आंखें बनने का, कान बनने की बहुत बड़ी जिम्मेदारी होती है सर. पर रिस्पेक्ट है, बिल्कुल है, क्योंकि फिजिकली टैक्सिंग जॉब है, इमोशनली मेंटली ड्रेनिंग जॉब है. और जैसे मैंने कहा, अपने घर परिवार से दूर रहना होता है. जब भी कोई आपदा आती है तो आपको यू हैव टू बी देयर. कोई वर्किंग आवर्स नहीं होते हैं. बट ये भी बिल्कुल सच है कि जब आप डिसऑनेस्ट लोगों को देखते हैं उसी प्रोफेशन में, जैसे हर प्रोफेशन में हर तरह के लोग होते हैं, जब आप डिसऑनेस्ट लोगों को देखते हैं, जब आप उस सिस्टम को समझते हैं, तो रिस्पेक्ट तो बिल्कुल गिरती है सर.
Okay, again. जब आप डिसऑनेस्ट लोगों को देखते हैं
क्योंकि आज भी अगर हम टेलीविजन न्यूज़ चैनल्स की अगर हम बात करें, मेरा ये मानना है, और ये बहुत ही इंडिविजुअल मेरा व्यू पॉइंट है, उन पे भरोसा नहीं किया जा सकता सर. सबसे पहले तो मैं
थैंक यू विक्रांत, थैंक यू.
एक redeeming moment.
Yes.
टेलीविजन के बैकग्राउंड
Redeeming
टीवी शोज
moment.
दिखते हैं सारे.
आपको ऐसा लगा कि हमारे समाज में भी भले हिंदू जो है वो बहुसंख्यक है, लेकिन उसके साथ एक भेदभाव रहा है पॉलिटिक्स में भी कि भाई हिंदू की बात है तो थोड़ा साइड कर दो, लेकिन अगर अल्पसंख्यक है, एक वर्ग विशेष है, तो उसके लिए छाती पीटने वाले बहुत लोग आ जाते हैं.
You want to take it? Because I've been speaking non-stop.
ऑनेस्टली मैं जर्नलिस्ट हूँ नहीं, और ना ही मैंने इतना फॉलो किया. मैं भी वो एक आम हिंदू ही हूँ. जो एक चीज़ मैं इसके बारे में जो मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी, जो हमने अपने माँ बाप से सुना है कि सब लोग अपने कल्चर को पकड़ के चलते हैं, अपने आइडेंटिटी को, कल्चरल आइडेंटिटी को पकड़ के चलते हैं. हिंदू बच्चे नहीं करते. हम मंदिर नहीं जाते, हम नहीं, ये सब हमने भी सुना हुआ है कि आप लोग नहीं करते हो ये सब जो बाकी सब करते हैं। मतलब मेरे दोस्त थे जो सिखनी थी, तो वो संडे को जाएंगे ही जाएंगे और वो पढ़ते हैं अपनी ग्रंथ साहिब पढ़ते हैं, so वो सब करते हैं। तो यस, कहीं ना कहीं आई थिंक हमें कल्चरली अपने ऊपर थोड़ा प्राइड होना चाहिए ताकि हम खुद अपनी स्पेस बनाएं। उनको
So your pride has to be displayed also, is what you're saying. Like, doesn't it?
Yeah.
See, I would be proud to. So no, sorry, I would be proud to identify as a Hindu if someone told me that, I like being a Hindu, but I don't think it's necessary to go to a temple or whatever. I don't need to do like a public display of this shit. I am my faith is mine. I am a devout Hindu, and I have pride about it. I would be like respect, right? बट इफ यू आर सेइंग अरे वो लोग देखो कैसे मंदिर जाते हैं, वो लोग देखो कैसे मस्जिद जाते हैं, या फिर इधर जाते उधर, तक हमको भी जाना चाहिए, हमको भी थोड़ा सा करना चाहिए। व्हाई
हमें अपना स्पेस क्रिएट करना चाहिए। 80% जनता की पॉपुलेशन में पूरा स्पेस तुम्हारा है बहन, पूरा स्पेस हमारा है। जहां चाहे रोड के बीच में मंदिर बना लो, कोई कुछ नहीं कहेगा, पूरा स्पेस तुम्हारा है। तुम क्या बात कर रही हो, हमें अपना स्पेस बनाना है।
नहीं, बट शी इज सेइंग बेसिकली कि हमको थोड़ा प्राइड रखना चाहिए। No,
their idea of pride is very
my thing is when they start putting it on everyone else, right? So if she would have said that I think I as a person did not have much pride on my religion, then I like saw this movie or whatever, and I realized ki nahi, I should also now go to the mandir, I should go to this. Now I would respect her still if she said that, because she's talking about herself. We Hindus should have pride. No, why? Like, why are you putting it on everyone?
क्या religion में क्या pride?
Pride
what
to,
pride?
Pride.
What pride? What pride in religion, man? What pride? In whichever religion, कुछ किसी भी religion में क्या pride? What pride? क्यों?
Someone, so Ritvik is asking, अगर मुस्लिम नहीं होते तो फिर हिंदू प्राइड भी होता क्या?
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, because you need like a
Absolutely
separate
not.
thing to compare it to.
Yeah.
See, oh look, they are doing it, but we are not doing it.
This is called in literary theory, this is called the self and the other. You need an other to have this sense of self. If you don't have an other, yin and the yang, if you don't have evil, how do you know something is good? And if you don't have yin, how do you know something is yang? If you don't have the outside, how do you know what is inside?
Yeah,
it's that. If we don't have, and also if there was no minorities, specifically if there were no Muslims, हम लोग अपने आप हिंदू लोग कुछ अपने अंदर निकाल लेते, कुछ निकाल, कास्ट कम है,
फिर कास्ट आ जाती है, एग्जैक्टली, फिर हम डिविजन्स ढूंढ लेते हैं।
अभी तो मुसलमान है तो एक है, उधर एक है तो सेफ है, बता रहे हैं। उधर वो कौन से कहाँ पे तो दलित लोग जो मंदिर में घुस गए तो भगवान को निकाल के ले गए, कौन सा था?
अभी हुआ था
ये तो हालात है। इसमें दिस इज द रिलीजन दैट वी आर सपोज्ड टू बी प्राउड ऑफ। जहाँ इंसान अगर कमरे में उसमें घुस जाए, इंसान छोड़ दो, दूसरा कास्ट का छोड़ दो, मंदिर में औरत को घुसना और नहीं है भैया आज की डेट में। एंड देन निर्मलता इज लाइक, व्हाट पेट्रियार्की? What patriarchy?
I have been in the last few videos. I've been using this term called PDF, which is public display of faith, which is like for example, if you're extremely insecure about your relationship, as young people tend to be sometimes, you go to parties and you do PDA, right? Like in front of your friends, you'll do kuchiku and all the things and whatever. Like the friends will be okay with it. I'm like, ठीक है, जो करो करना है, but कभी-कभी it gets to like awkward territory, right? Where it's like, थोड़ा ज़्यादा
get a room, कमरे में जा,
yeah, like that whole thing, get a room. But the thing is that what is underlying there is insecurity, right? So so I turned that into PDF, which is public display of faith, like Abhinav Arora and all these people who are doing like this. Oh look, मैं reel बना रहा हूँ, मैं हिंदू कर रहा हूँ, whatever. वो PDF कर रहे हैं, because the thing is that their parents or whoever is like this devout displaying Hindu have like some insecurities within them which they have to resolve themselves. बट देन दे फकिंग टॉर्चर सोसाइटी विथ इट फॉर नो रीजन कि पीडीएफ करते, मतलब देखो देखो मेरा रिलीजन, मैं छाती पे लेके चल रहा हूँ, स्टिकर लगा रहा हूँ कार के पीछे, प्राउड हिंदू और व्हाटएवर, या फिर ब्राह्मण जीन्स, यू नो लाइक दैट होल शिट दैट इज अगेन इनसिक्योरिटीज तुम्हारे, टॉर्चर हमको,
टॉर्चर हम लोग हो।
व्हाई? लाइक डूड रियलाइज व्हाट यू आर डूइंग। तुम इनसिक्योर इंसान हो, तुमको खुद को रिजॉल्व कर, थेरेपी जाना पड़ेगा तुमको, या फिर कोई धर्म गुरु के पास ही चले जाओ, वो भी तुमको यही बताएंगे कि भैया ये ऐसे दिखावा करने से कुछ नहीं होने वाला। तुम ना खुद सोचो, थोड़ा सा शांति से बैठो एक रूम में और सोचो कि व्हाट हैज हिंदुइज्म टॉट यू इन लाइफ, दैट्स इट। हमारे यहाँ पे we used to go to like the mandir only when something good has happened or on birthdays. Like so like if we buy a car then we are going to a mandir to like whatever.
घर पे क्योंकि घर पे होता था ना।
हाँ घर पे होता था, या फिर
छोटा छोटा सा
एग्जाम में अच्छे मार्क्स मिले चलो मंदिर, प्रसाद दे के आते हैं,
बुरे मार्क्स मिले चलो मंदिर।
and my parents were also like I think a little more sensitive towards these things, right? Which is I feel like they never forced me to go to mandirs or whatever. Like they would do it on birthdays, for example, कि नहीं चलो 5 मिनट जाके आते हैं type, which is fine, which is okay. But then they also took me to orphanages after that, right? And we fed kids and we gave them birthday cakes or chocolates or whatever. So that was always a thing, which is like whenever we go to a mandir, after that there would be times when they would take me to a nearby orphanage and we would meet the kids there, or we would distribute something वहाँ पे कि कुछ अच्छा हुआ है तो other people should also celebrate, which are बच्चास, and that was so nice. So my memories with like you know like mandir and what they mean for me is so attached to like these kids that I met, and you know like what I spent time with as a kid as well. And so that's what is connected to going to mandirs, right? And that actually made me want to go to the mandir also, because that was like step 1 to what comes afterwards in step 2, which was fun. Like you know like we would play around in that place or whatever.
You should be proud of your religion. You should go to mandir. What is this?
Sorry ma'am.
How dare you
sorry
insult your religion?
मुझे माफ करना ओ साई राम।
को ऐसा लगता है कि हिंदू हाल के पिछले 8-10 साल या उससे पहले भी आपको लगता है उसमें चेंज आया हिंदू थॉट प्रोसेस में?
चेंज तो आया है सर, बिल्कुल आया है। वो दिखाई देता है जो एक गर्व, मतलब जो गर्व अगर हमेशा से था तो आज वो सब एक ही भाषा बोल रहे हैं। तो यस, यूनानिमसली और पब्लिकली एक चेंज आया है, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है कि पहले लोग बिलीव नहीं करते थे कि हम हिंदू हैं तो वी आर प्राउड ऑफ आवरसेल्व्स, ऐसा नहीं था। बट एट द सेम टाइम आई वुड से कि देयर इज ऑल्सो अ राइज इन एक्सट्रीमिज्म, देयर इज ऑल्सो अ राइज, कट्टर भी बहुत हो गए हैं लोग, वो भी नहीं होना चाहिए। तो एक बैलेंस बना के चलना चाहिए। हमें ऐसा नहीं, हिंदू मुस्लिम जो भी, मैं इन टॉपिक्स पे बात नहीं करना चाहती थी क्योंकि हमारी जगह नहीं है इनकी बात करने की।
मैम सॉरी मैम, तुमने मूवी बनाया उस पे, लाइक तुमको बात करना पड़ेगा।
बना रही हो इस पे हिंदू मुस्लिम पे,
What did you
तुम
expect?
प्रोपेगेंडा चला रही हो, तुम पैसा ले रही हो।
Seriously man, like oh my, anyway like this is privilege, amazing, like मैं मूवी बनाएगा प्रोपेगेंडा पूरा व्हाटएवर, बट देन लाइक पॉडकास्ट पे जाके बोलेगा नहीं मेरे को इस पे बात करने के लिए अच्छा नहीं लगता है, वो एक्चुअली मेरा जॉब है। ये तो ऐसे ही चल रहा है हमारा, लाइक आई कैन कंप्लीटली,
मेरा जॉब में मैं बस जहर फैलाता है। मेरा तो जैसे इट्स लाइक एन असैसिन, वो जो नहीं था पैसा देके मारने वाले असैसिन जो होते हैं, उनको लगी नहीं मैं तो जॉब है, पर मैं इस बारे में वायलेंस मुझे पसंद नहीं है। बस मैं जॉब की खातिर मैं आज तक मैं आई हैव टेकन आउट 97 पीपल, बट आई डोंट लाइक वायलेंस, इट्स जस्ट माय जॉब।
या
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर कोई कट्टर हो रहा है तो हमें कट्टर होने की जरूरत नहीं है। यू नो, तो फाइट अपनी लड़ो, लेकिन पीस के साथ लड़ो, क्योंकि वो हमारा, अगर आपको रिलीजन ही फॉलो करना है और अगर आपको यही देखना है कि हम हिंदू हैं, तो हमारा रिलीजन यही सिखाता है हमें कि पीस लविंग बनो। महात्मा गांधी ने भी कहा था कोई थप्पड़ मारता तो दूसरा गाल आगे कर दो, जो आजकल सब बोलते नहीं, ये सही नहीं है, ये रियलिस्टिक नहीं है, प्रैक्टिकल नहीं है एंड ऑल दैट, आई अंडरस्टैंड। लेकिन आई थिंक बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हम ज़्यादा भावुक होके और अपनी भावनाओं को बहुत ज़्यादा उछाले नहीं, क्योंकि इंसान तो सभी हैं, गुस्सा सब में भरा हुआ है, लेकिन उसको ज़्यादा उछालने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। उसको पीस लविंग तरीके से अपने आप को समझने की ज़रूरत है, बस किसी और को दिखाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है।
Oh my God, she just said what I said.
What are we contradictory statement?
Yeah, but
थोड़ी
she
देर पहले
just
बोल रही थी कि मंदिर नहीं जाते हैं.
she is just saying कि PDF मत करो,
हाँ,
but like
मत
अभी
करो.
पहले बोल रही थी मंदिर, but like अभी बोल रही है. I like it. This is
क्योंकि
a real feelings coming out. Okay, I like her now. I like Riddhi.
Riddhi, you like Riddhi.
Riddhi, smart. So this is
Redeeming. Redemption हो
redemption
रहा है.
arc
Riddhi
of
का redemption
Riddhi.
हो रहा
I
है.
like that.
हाँ,
I like that.
हाँ.
और किसी और को सबक सिखाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। ये देश हमारे, ये कहीं नहीं जा रहा है। हम यहीं रहेंगे और देश के साथ बने रहेंगे, और देश हमसे ही बनता है।
वैसे ही आप
देखिए, आई थिंक सोशल मीडिया के आने के बाद चीज़ें बदली हैं थोड़ी।
Yes.
चीज़ें ज़्यादा उछाली जाती हैं।
Yes. Wow.
और शायद बड़ी चीज़ें दबाई भी जाती हैं सोशल मीडिया की वजह से। तो ये डिवाइड थोड़ा और ज़्यादा अब दिखता है, जो शायद 10 साल पहले इतना नहीं था। पहले था, फिर बीच में थोड़ा कम हुआ और अब थोड़ा और ज़्यादा दिखता है। वो ऐसा मुझे लगता है, मैं हो सकता है मैं गलत हूँ, लेकिन मेरे ओपिनियन में मुझे लगता है ये डिवाइड थोड़ा और दिख रहा है अब।
बैलेंस ऑफ पर्सपेक्टिव्स, यू नो,
बहुत ज़रूरी है।
अब कोई भी चीज़ अगर हम देख रहे हैं और जब हम बात भी करते हैं लोगों से, और ख़ासतौर पे साबरमती के दौरान जब हम लोगों से मिल रहे हैं, तो व्हाट यू विल सी सुशांत जी इज़ कि इट इज़ आइदर अ लेफ्ट और आइदर अ राइट। और हमें भी उसी उसमें लिया, तुम लेफ्ट हो या तुम राइट हो, तुम क्या हो। कहते कि यार हम इंसान है सबसे पहले।
सॉरी उसको एक तो इनको पूछना चाहिए कि तेरे अकॉर्डिंग टू व्हाट इज लेफ्ट एंड राइट. I doubt anybody asked him if you are left or right during the shooting of Sabarmati.
Please.
Who
Nobody,
gives a shit?
एक तो पहली बात, nobody who knows left wing and right wing, nobody is going to ask somebody.
Yeah.
कि तुम left wing.
तू लेफ्ट है कि राइट है? तू लेफ्ट है कि राइट है?
This is going
तू
to be
लेफ्ट हाथ से धोता है कि राइट हाथ से धोता है? That's a better question.
For the next party that we're going to have, this is going to be like the secret left handshake, leftist handshake. Listen, let's say वो Masons का नहीं था, वो जो है Illuminati और Masons, Free Masons का होता है ना, secret handshake होता है. Leftist का secret handshake होना पड़ेगा, something like ऐसे करके something left handshake की leftist है. तो क्या यार, क्या गधापनी है यार.
यार थोड़ा सा ये
This
stereotype
is
यार. Riddhi said such great things. And
Yes,
then the
Riddhi
other one
said
also said such great things. विक्रांत तेरे को क्या हो गया यार?
तेरे को क्या, मैं बता रही हूँ, this is like, see, he suddenly, अभी उसको उस पे किसने बोला है मुझे याद नहीं है, somebody called him the male Kangna Ranaut, okay? And listen, I have this theory that female है तो XX क्रोमोसोम, मेल है तो XY क्रोमोसोम, बट ये नया हिंदू बनाया ना, इसका HH क्रोमोसोम है. साइंस जोक.
मेंटल हेल्थ की जब बात होती है तो मेंटल बैलेंस की बात होती है. व्हाट अबाउट बैलेंस ऑफ पर्सपेक्टिव्स? एक जमाना होता था जब सेंटरिज्म और सेंटरिस्ट भी एक इम्पॉर्टेंट हिस्सा थे हमारी राजनीति का, हमारी सोसाइटी का. आज वो चीज एग्जिस्ट नहीं करती. इट इज देयर आर हार्डली एनी सेंट्रिस्ट्स टुडे.
अरे who is a centrist?
एनालॉजी अगर दूं या मेटाफर के अगर तौर पे
नहीं, एक सेकंड मेटाफर कंप्लीट करने देना उसको. हाँ, फिर
बात करूं, सीसॉ जो होता है, आप सीसॉ के बीच में से हटा दीजिए, फलक्रम हटा दो, पलड़ा एक तरफ भारी हो जाएगा. एनी फॉर्म ऑफ एक्सट्रीमिज्म इज नॉट,
नहीं होगा भारी, गिर जाएगा,
फ्लैट हो जाएगा नीचे,
फ्लैट हो जाएगा, वो नहीं होगा भारी, पागल.
चलेगा नहीं. बट anyway, हाँ, you were saying
चलेगा
sorry.
नहीं.
हाँ, you were saying sorry.
नो, सेंट्रिस्ट की बात आप कब करते हो? व्हेन डू यू टॉक अबाउट न्यूट्रलिटी और व्हेन डू यू टॉक अबाउट ये, इस जब दोनों तरफ बराबर का कुछ है, तब आप देखते हो कि अच्छा ठीक है, दोनों तरफ से हम बैलेंस करने की कोशिश करते हैं. एक तरफ तुम मार जेनोसाइड कर रहे हो, एक तरफ तुम कर रहे हो पोग्राम कर रहे हो, टारगेटेड किलिंग्स कर रहे हो, मॉब लिंचिंग कर रहे हो, तो उसमें सेंटर में कैसे आएगा आदमी यार? कि हाँ ठीक है मॉब लिंच कर रहे, कितनों को किया? अच्छा 10 लोगों को, चलो ठीक है, 100 लोगों का तो नहीं किया, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं.
Centrism.
This is centrism today.
No,
यही होगा centrism.
Centrism is what about it? Like what I think.
हाँ.
Yeah, basically.
What about it?
उन लोगों ने 10 लोगों को मारा, बट
Yes.
ये देखो इस
हाँ.
साइड पे भी 10 लोग मरे ना.
इन्होंने तो इधर तो 10 ही लोग, इधर भी तो 10 लोग ही मरे, तो सेंटर हुआ ना.
बट देन सेंट्रिस्ट ये दोनों दिखा के करता क्या है, उसके आगे क्या? सो इफ यू आर आस्किंग, अच्छा तो गलती किसकी है, राइट? पनिश करना चाहिए ना, तो पनिश करना चाहिए ना. किसको पनिश किया? उस क्वेश्चन पे जाओगे ना आप कि ओ किसको पनिश किया, किसने पनिश किया, किसको रिपरकशंस मिले, किसको नहीं मिले. right? Then the centrist will be like, हाँ but उन्होंने भी जब वो पावर में थे ना तब रिपरकशंस नहीं दिए थे तो इसीलिए अब
तो इधर भी नहीं होना चाहिए.
freaking again I don't think he knows what a centrist is. Like,
Yeah. There is this,
I don't think there is such a
उसमें
thing.
ट्विटर पे मैंने देखा था एक बहुत अच्छी लाइन है जिसमें वो बोलते हैं ना कि वी कैन एग्री टू डिसएग्री. ठीक है, तो देयर इज दिस, इट्स अ कार्टून वेयर वन पर्सन सेज वी कैन एग्री टू डिसएग्री, तो दूसरा वाला उसको थप्पड़ मार के बोलता है या अबाउट पिज्जा टॉपिंग्स नॉट अबाउट फकिंग जेनोसाइड.
yeah, exactly.
It's this.
Exactly.
Yes, we can agree to disagree, but on topics like that, we cannot agree to disagree about whether it is okay to kill somebody because they worship a different god.
शुरू कैसे हुआ?
हाँ,
कैसे
हुआ?
हाँ.
शुरू कैसे हुआ? फिर agree to disagree नहीं होता है. We can agree to disagree about whether blue is a good color or not.
Yeah.
और सेंटिमेंट का जो मुझे लिटिल नॉलेज है, मुझे लगता है कि हम कहीं ना कहीं सेंटिमेंट्स को ही नहीं समझते हैं, हम एक्शंस पे ध्यान देते हैं कि तुमने ये किया,
वो तो
तुमने ये
तुम्हारी
किया,
मूवी कर रही है.
क्यों किया, कहाँ से आती
तेरी
है ये
पूरी
चीज़, तो वो
picture
तो
है
जानने
इसी
की
बारे
कोशिश
में.
करो. कमिंग बैक टू साबरमती, अगर अब जिस तरह हम हमेशा बात कर रहे हैं कि यार उन 59 लोगों के बारे में किसी ने बात नहीं किया.
हैं?
आपके पास कम से कम 1500 डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज हैं जो 28 तारीख से क्या हुआ उसके बारे में डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज हैं, और सिर्फ इंडिया में नहीं, इंडिया के बाहर भी. लेकिन जो 27 तारीख को उन लोगों के साथ हुआ जो अपने घर वापस आ रहे थे, उसके बारे में क्यों नहीं बात करेंगे? तो
I mean,
sentiment-
every report starts with that,
Everyone
boss.
knows, and who doesn't?
Every report on that about that starts with the burning and with the visuals.
दिमाग में अभी भी वही है, ट्रेन का डब्बा जो जला हुआ था
I'm
जिसमें
sorry,
लोग मर
okay,
गए थे.
एक second.
It's still there.
Okay, no, I need some clarification here. Okay, so like Rididdi की friend जो है, whatever her name is, I don't know her name. So she said that she was a child. I was also a child when this happened, and I knew there was a riot that happened. All the things, right? But when I grew up, right, as an adult, when I was like, oh, riot हुआ था, my first thought was, ऐसे spontaneously तो नहीं हुआ, अगर ऐसे ही तो randomly ऐसे लोग स्ट्रीट पे आके एकदम crazy तो नहीं हो जाते ना, कुछ तो reason होगा. And then when the reason came, which is like when I saw a documentary or when I saw someone was saying the movie is called Final Solution, by the way.
That's Rakesh Sharma.
Rakesh Sharma. So the Final
Sharma.
Solution, that the movie when I saw that, वो भी वैसे ही शुरू होता है, by the way, with the burning, and they spend a good
तू
amount
अभी
of time on
Google,
that.
I literally did a Google search right now about Godhra riots. The first image which pops up is the burning train.
Yeah, yeah,
The first image.
Yeah.
It's the first image.
yeah.
कि 2002 से 2012 तक के इवेंट्स को कवर किया है. मेरी जिज्ञासा है ये जानने की कि आप लोगों ने 28 तारीख को नरेंद्र मोदी क्या कर रहे थे एज चीफ मिनिस्टर, ये कवर किया कि नहीं इस फिल्म में? नहीं किया.
नहीं, ये प्राइमरीली मीडिया के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से है ये फिल्म.
What? एक सेकंड, sorry,
और फिर
what?
बता रहे हो फैक्ट्स दिखाए हमने, हैं, फैक्ट्स दिखाए, थिंग्स, ये उसके बिना हो गया, हैं?
एक सेकंड,
Wow,
sorry,
wow.
what the immediate
Wow.
after, okay, no wait, 28 तारीख को जब नरेंद्र मोदी जी वो बॉडीज लेके जा रहे थे, प्रोसेशन कर रहे थे, that is a very important thing to show in the Sabarmati report because it is directly connected to the incident
And directly connected to what happened after.
Yes, but wait, so the movie
तो
just
हटा ही दो
ends
ना,
there?
नरेंद्र मोदी को हटा ही दो, नरेंद्र मोदी को हटा ही देते, उनकी गलती थी नहीं, मेरा गुजरात जल रहा है, विवेक ओबरॉय को ले आते.
I'm so confused right now, Medusa. I'm just
I
worried
am
how.
so angry. I had to tie my hair.
Yeah,
It's so hot right now. I got so hot listening to that bullshit.
पॉलिटिकल फिल्म नहीं है ये, और इसको please
अच्छा,
और
wow.
ये भी अब
Oh,
आपके
अच्छा,
माध्यम से लोगों को
my
कहना चाहूंगा
God.
कि ये कोई हिंदू की या एंटी
ये
मुस्लिम
it's
की या
like-
प्रो हिंदू की फिल्म नहीं है,
अच्छा, okay.
ये प्रो इंसानियत की फिल्म है.
प्रो इंसानियत की
कि
फिल्म.
फॉर अ चेंज देखिए ना सर, हम किस जमाने में 2024 में मार्स पहुंच गए हैं, चांद पे पहुंच गए हैं, लेकिन फिर भी हम ये है कि इंसान को इंसान के तौर पे नहीं देखते हैं सर. इंसानियत के तौर पे देखो कि उन 59 लोगों
थप्पड़
को
मार
जिंदा
दूंगा,
जला
मर
दिया
जाएगा
गया
अभी.
और उनकी बात किसी ने नहीं की. तो हम ये चाहते हैं कि इंसानियत के तौर पे देखो.
एक सेकेंड, आर यू सेइंग दैट नरेंद्र मोदी डिड नॉट स्पीक अबाउट दोज पीपल हु डाइड? I mean, the entire BJP
I'm
did
interested. I'm interested to see what they have, how they have shown Sanjeev Bhatt also, or they have completely ignored him as well.
I'm yeah,
I
I
don't know,
think
I
this
don't
is
know,
a good
नहीं
time to
आएगा।
stop watching this because now मेरा भी ऐसे पारा एकदम बहुत ज्यादा चढ़ चुका है अभी, like I think I'm going to say some very ungodly things now, I feel like so
Vikrant Massey has bought a new car, but his car he only drives the Honda. You know why? Because H is for Hindu. He thinks
Oh
H is
my
for Hindu.
God.
Like very
Oh my
badly
God.
delivered joke.
That
I
was-
have it in my brain, but I could not frame it right. But then that is what he thinks the H is for Hindu.
that was just yeah.
Oh, the joke which I had written for specifically for Vikrant Massey and whatever bullshit he spewed was, and that this is like a good moment to put it in here also because it is also a shit joke.
Okay, go on.
His mouth is jealous of his ass because of his ass is jealous of his mouth because of all the shit the mouth is spewing.
Wait, this is the joke you were saving?
Yeah.
कितना hype किया मैं तूने?
Also, another one. If Vikrant Massey was America, his mouth will be an immigrant because it is taking his ass's job.
Oh my god. Yeah, that's a good one. Yes, that,
Better, no. See?
very very layered. Also
Very layered.
like world affairs ऐसे घुसा दिया
Uh-huh,
अंदर because we're going to watch Trump now.
Oh God.
We're going to end with this, but
Yeah.
Medusa, if you're not aware, since you were in like hibernation for a bit, Donald Trump is back as
I know.
world's most powerful man. Elon
Yes.
Musk is now running the country practically because
Yeah.
he has been given the job of Doge. He's going to start
Yes.
a okay, so any last thoughts, Medusa? Anything you want to promote before we end this?
Promote?
है कुछ किया तूने लाइफ में, कुछ देखना है लोगों को, कुछ पढ़ने का है?
नहीं, अभी मेरे को कोई कुछ प्रमोट नहीं करना। अभी तो मैं अपने शेल से बाहर आया यार, मुश्किल से,
अच्छा,
जैसे तैसे। Guys, I would like to promote therapy, definitely, 100%.
yeah,
Go to therapy.
yeah. correct.
Talk to people in your life who are who have taken therapy, who know the language, who understand or understand the even क्या कहते हैं उसको, the importance of giving you space.
Yeah.
So yeah.
And,
develop those things.
Next
in
time
life.
we do DKD, Medusa is going to have a wonderful new set, which I think will come up soon.
New what?
You will have a set which is like with like the new fancy sign in the background and
Oh, yeah.
The
yeah, yeah.
set-
No,
set-
no, अच्छा, set.
Set?
अच्छा, मुझे लगा set. कौन सा set? किस चीज का set?
अरे स्टूडियो सेट मतलब जहाँ से तू
हाँ,
रिकॉर्ड
अब समझ में आ गया ना। मैं उससे पहले समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि क्या set? What set?
क्या
हाँ, ठीक।
मैडम?
है मेरे पास है। I have all of these like decoration का stuff also, but I
है।
don't know what to do about it.
You'll
as
figure
in-
it out. You'll figure it
I have
out,
like
Dr.
zero sense.
Medusa. We all love you for who you are, and the community like has been missing you so much. And nerd
Yes,
friends,
I've missed you guys too.
nerd friends have been asking me like, DKD Cub, how is Medusa? Where is she? Is she okay? Should we
Aw.
like text her, मतलब like DM her or whatever? Very sweet people who really like
I
you.
have had a number of DMs, but then वही
Yeah,
ना,
yeah.
एक टाइम पे आप नहीं
It's
वो
okay.
कर सकते।
We
I
are
think
all-
I
we
think
are
I'll
all
put
very
something
happy.
up on my stories.
We are very happy collectively that you're back, and it is so good to have you again. So yeah, thank you so much, Dr. Medusa. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Mignard,
Yes.
for having me here again.
Yes, I'm
Oh,
going
but this is my show also. What is this? Why am I thanking you? Shut up.
हाँ, co-host है तू. Okay, मेरे को भी promote करना है. So guys,
हाँ.
I've been doing this set of videos called Bunch of Thoughts. Please do watch them. They're shorter videos. And also we are preparing for the Maharashtra elections, so there will be some mega streams happening on the Maharashtra elections on 22nd and 23rd. 23rd is the result, 20th is the voting day, so we are preparing for that also. And also, if you like my work, if you like everything, तो please buy me a coffee का link नीचे है, please do support.
ओ मेरा भी कॉफी है.
अभी याद आया, buy me a
हाँ,
coffee,
भूल गया था
मेडूसा
मैं.
का भी
और
नीचे
मेरे को
है, उस
दो
पे भी.
चीज और याद आया.
हाँ.
2 चीज और याद आया, वो भी मैं बोलेगा.
हाँ.
तू बोल ले पहले.
हाँ, वो दोनों कर लेना. Also, if you want to see the full unedited live recording of the things that went down, please watch the full video, because जो edited video जाने वाला है उसमें बहुत कम माल रहने वाला है. So
Okay.
yes, yeah.
Okay. So I want to promote this page called Bullu Bow Wow. Can you guys see? Is it
Bullu
visible?
Bow Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's an animal rescue page. That's where I got my pitbull from. My Lubu. She comes from this particular page. Okay. So they have a few animals up for adoption. This is Autumn. She's up for adoption.
Okay.
She's very sweet, and these are all abandoned pets who have been, left on the street to die. So they have been taken
What
up.
is their
Autumn
location?
they're in Chandigarh, but then they have animal, what do you call it? Relocators or I don't know. They have somebody in the train wala system. So my Luba came from Chandigarh on a train. I paid half of the ये क्या कहते हैं उसको
Fair.
ट्रेन का जर्नी का पैसा, and they paid half of the journey का ट्रेन का
अच्छा,
जर्नी का
okay,
पैसा. So she's very good. She has this new shelter called Tabassum, and Tabassum has this place. Tabassum takes care of paralyzed animals, and therapy वगैरह के लिए उसने पूरा setup करा है. And I regularly donate to ये. In fact, if you want, instead of buying me a coffee, go ahead and give your money to Bullu Bow Wow as
Okay.
well. I have
We will
please
put a
do that.
link below for
To do that
Bullu
as well.
Bow Wow. Okay, I'm
Okay.
going to end the recording now. Okay, thank you
Yeah.
friends for watching. Bye bye. Bye Medusa.